goddamn.
Okay, it's recorded. It's recorded.
Hey, we in this big ass bathroom. Look at this shit.
No, bro, tell mama.
Hold on, bro. It's hot as fuck, bro. For real. Yo, it's hot, but I'm comfortable.
Okay. Can we get to the video?
All right.
Big ups to Ratchet Misses.
Ratchet Misses.
Y'all already know.
Yeah. Zeke.
Sandine.
Yup.
We miss y'all. We coming out with a part 2 just for y'all.
Yep.
Just for y'all. We got her whole squad. You know, we ain't no sometime clique. we ain't no
Sometimes, but you know, we ain't always got to join the little arguments, you know what I'm saying? We only come when we ain't scared.
Yeah, we ain't scared to take you out in Georgia.
Is that my mama? Mom!
Where my phone at, bruh?
Oh. Y'all tripping. Come on, y'all. We gotta get to the
Paused it? You paused it?
No.
You can't pause now. Come on.
Oh, we still recording. Oh,
Come on.
But but for real, we ain't no sometime clique, man. This the movement.
Bruh.
This
We
the movement.
look, we ain't a clique, bruh. We is not a clique. We is a movement. And what we tell them, it's not us. It's your boyfriend.
Hey,
Your boyfriend.
Your boyfriend.
Yeah. I know you think he doing right, but really he ain't.
Yeah, he was cheating on your ass.
Not at all.
But he wasn't with us though.
Shit.
But we know.
Shit, nah.
Oh, it was with her.
Shit.
Her all the way.
It be like that sometimes.
Oh, she subscribed to
Kier is in a relationship.
Nah, it's like the status.
Yeah, I know you subscribed to his
It's in a relationship.
You did?
No, you did. I didn't. You did.
You how you know?
Cause I can tell. Cause I subscribed to a couple folks.
Bruh,
Page.
I don't
Okay.
even got internet.
Hey, you need to get it together.
God damn.
But anyway,
So
okay.
you want that business? Okay, we're gonna kick it like this. 2010, we're going in.
We
Taking
are,
folks out.
bruh.
Taking
Like-
folks out, like don't be a Facebook gangster. Don't be trying to take people out.
Y'all hear that?
In a different state.
Don't do.
You from up north, nigga.
Oh shit.
You from up north.
Bruh, how about I'm from the good part, you from the bad part, just like this
We're
here.
gonna beat your ass in the good part and the bad part.
Which
How about
one?
that? How about that? So we from Georgia.
Look at Tia, can you see that? I'm like, cause that's her friend.
I don't even care though.
You know they gonna call her. Like, Tia, what happened?
Why you put that on your page? Hey, it be like that sometimes.
Morgan gonna call me first. Morgan twin. I see you, big guy.
Don't even matter though. Take your ass out. What else we gonna talk about?
Look, bruh, I'm still, it's hot, bruh.
It is. I'm gonna burn up in this damn
I like your Pico, girl.
Appreciate you.
Why you got your Pico in the house though? Me.
But hey, don't somebody got this sweater?
Hell, Georgia Tech.
I seen this boy with that sweater on.
Oh, for real, you seen that?
He on the football team.
Wait, look.
Is he over 6'2"?
Yeah, he 6'2" and a half. 6'2" and a half.
Oh, so why they call him 6'3"?
I don't even know. 6 and a half, you know, shit.
Goddamn. Well, you might as well add the other half. You the other half, boo.
Oh,
I like that. I like that.
That shit go hard. Like, for real.
Okay.
But yeah, I got on 2 pair of socks.
Let me see.
For real?
Let me see.
I got on 2 pair of socks.
Well, you need it. It's kind of cold.
Yeah.
It
But
is
it's cold. But we don't need it in this bathroom.
Hell no, that's how this motherfucker, you be here taking a shit. You like,
All right, y'all. That's a bit.
no.
What?
Now, if I had some cookies, y'all wouldn't be joining me.
Hell no,
Goddamn.
you have to get
Bruh,
that cake.
how
That's why
about
we
this?
act like this.
Okay, so we call Sandine. Sandine eating some goddamn oxtail and shit. We
Hey, I had some of that at my house though. For real.
And we get to the crib of Terica.
She ain't got no food.
And she has no food.
It's a
SAG,
recession.
so hungry
And we-
girls. God
Damn.
you slipping.
Y'all ate all the food last time. You
That
know
was
we only
Thanksgiving. It's
That's
a
the only
year.
time we
It's
went
a
shopping.
year.
We don't go shopping only every 3 months, bro.
Good.
We don't go shopping the next month.
They feed off of fat.
Well, damn. Hey, you gotta get out the chair for that one. You gotta get out
Trying
the
to take my lip off.
chair. You hungry? Hey, I still had room to fall because the closet in the bathroom was so big. Falling everywhere. No, but for real, man. We need. Okay, let's. On a serious note,
What's the
let's
serious
talk
one?
about these dudes that be trying to play people. Like, ain't
Bruh.
nobody dumb. Like, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody dumb.
God damn. Look, man. I don't had it enough, okay? I am tired of this shit.
Nah,
Nah,
for real.
bruh. Like,
Bruh.
it ain't even where it's at. Like, You know,
if you talk to the bitch, say you talk to the bitch. Don't lie about it.
Damn,
Don't
it ain't
lie
even
about
that
it.
serious, bruh. Like, just
Oh.
own up. Be a man about it. It's 2010. We
God
finna
damn.
graduate.
How old are you?
We ain't on that
for
picture,
real
no.
though. Like, why you hanging out with people younger than you? For real, like I was just thinking about that. They like, damn, why you hanging out with people younger than you?
Bruh, man,
we
got friends.
No, we about to take out the whole 2000 class of 2000.
Bruh, I like Rush.
Hey, shout out to
He
is
2012. Who, Rush?
Yeah.
Oh,
And Rush, my big little brother.
Yeah.
My little big,
Hold
my
on,
big
who
little
else do
brother.
I like Destiny Hopkins too.
Okay, she cool, but the whole class as a whole, they just.
What?
Excuse us, we
I
have
get it later. I'm gonna get it.
a ghetto intermission, you know.
I met y'all.
We're in the house of the black folks.
That's right. You know how you get it, how you live, big dog. What it do?
Be
Shut
like
the folk cut, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, like the big dogs on Facebook said, my partner them.
Man.
My partner them. You ain't hood. You
We're
white.
a team when it comes to this.
Why you trying to take out my bitch? Get the fuck out of here.
Stop before
No.
you get beat up. 1 minute. Hold on. Wait. It's past 5 o'clock.
Oh yeah, what happened to that 5 o'clock thing? 1791 Vauxhall Drive, Lithonia, Georgia 30058. What happened to that? What time is it? You like my pink phone? Okay, it's 7:13. Hey, my minutes are free. But Sprint.
Goddamn, I still got that AT&T.
Don't 9 o'clock in.
Hold on, I'm supposed to be texting somebody back. Oh, I ain't.
Who? SB?
Nah, bruh.
Nah, bro.
He fucked up too?
Yeah,
Bruh, we ain't gonna put this on camera.
These do be.
We'll talk later.
They
Yeah,
going in. They listening to Lil Wayne too much.
He got the nerve, girl. He got the nerve.
Oh, what he said he did?
What?
Talking about you gonna be glad. And if I did,
And if I did,
I would've.
don't you ever use that line on me. And if I did,
What? If you
That
did,
ain't even supposed to be a damn question.
it ain't. If you did, you gonna see what happened if you did.
Nah, we gonna leave that alone.
Yeah.
Erase that part.
No, we ain't related to that part. We ain't said no names yet.
y'all, I don't think they're gonna be watching for 7 minutes and 50-something seconds.
We got 7 minutes if you
Oh,
something.
they-
ma'am.
All right.
All right then. Well,
Okay.
we'll
You
We'll
know,
holler at y'all
for
later.
everybody that we love, you know who we, you know.
Yeah, and
You
to all
know,
the fake
partner.
people, we don't call no
I love
names
you,
this time.
Amberly. I love you, Quinteria. Zeke and Sandy, y'all couldn't be
Can I give a
here.
shout out to my best friend,
Yeah.
Janiqua?
Janiqua Pid.
I want to say, hey, India.
India. What's you? You my
Um,
Facebook friend.
Derek.
Harris.
Joe.
Harris.
But yeah, that's all the people I really like, kicking with like that. But oh, Jody,
Oh yeah.
I fucked with you over the weekend. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy. Yeah. I say happy birthday to you. Yeah. I remember that.
Who do I be texting? I can't call nobody
It's
name.
8 minutes.
They might get offended if I call
Mhm.
their boyfriend name.
Call them.
Yeah. If we call a name, we might. Nah, we say that for part 2 when we all together.
Oh yeah, when we all take, we gonna
We
hear that
going
video.
in, yeah.
We
This
gonna
is just
end.
a pre-video, part 1. You look out for part 2.
Ratchet Misses alert.
Ratchet Misses. We need a little thing, like we gonna be like, ooh, like that.
So that's like be in the hallway, do them 10-minute handshakes.
Ooh.
Oh, let me see
Ow.
what my brother did. He did. Like that.
Okay, yeah. I'm not doing the
that.
camera, but
Do it, bruh.
do it. We're gonna do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, we got this thing.
We got that thing.
Bye-bye.